Cornea. Cornea is a transparent tissue with a smooth surface. It occupies 1/5 of the circumference of the eyeball. Its diameter is 12 millimeter. Its thickness in center is 0.5 millimeter and thickness at periphery is 1 millimeter. Its refractive power is 45 diopter and refractive index is 1.37. 1.37. Histology. It consists of 5 layers. Epithelium. It is a stratified epithelium and consists of 5 layers of cells. It is continuous with the epithelium of the conjunctiva. It is very regular in arrangement. Bowman's membrane. It is a homogeneous membrane on which epithelium rests and it stops at limbus. Stroma. Stroma consists of corneal lamellae arranged in parallel rows and corneal corpuscles. Both are held together with a transparent cementing substance. It is continuous with sclera. Descemet's membrane. It is an elastic membrane and it is continuous at the angle of the anterior chamber with pectinate ligament. Endothelium. It is a single layer of hexagonal cells on which rests on endothelium and it is continuous with the endothelium of the uveal tract. Now, nutrition of the cornea. Cornea is a avascular structure, so it gets its nutrition from 3 sources. Number 1, perilimbal plexus of the blood vessels, aqueous humor and oxygen from air. Nerve supply. It is cornea is supplied by ciliary nerve through nasociliary branch of the ophthalmic division of 5th cranial nerve. It is non-medulated. The nerve fibrils are non-medulated in the substance of cornea to maintain the or for interest of the transparency of the cornea. Now, congenital anomaly, microcornea. If the diameter of the cornea is less than 12 millimeter, it is known as microcornea and the refractive error is hypermetropic. Megalocornea. If the diameter is more than 12 millimeter, it is known as megalocornea. Now, edema of the cornea. Like other tissue in body, fluid accumulates in corneal tissue and causes edema of the cornea, which hampers the vision. So, what are the source of fluid? The 2 sources. Number 1, aqueous humor. For this, endothelium must be damaged and aqueous humor percolates through endothelium, Descemet's membrane, stroma, Bowman's membrane and then epithelium, in which it accumulates as a droplets between epithelial cells. Number 2, tear. For this, the epithelium of the cornea must be damaged by any means. Now, causes of corneal edema. There are so many causes. Number 1, break in continuity or damage of the corneal epithelium or endothelium, either by trauma or corneal ulcer. In this case, the endothelium is damaged. Second, increased intraocular pressure. In this case, corneal endothelium is also damaged, and condition like acute congestive glaucoma, absolute glaucoma, ophthalmos, epidemic dropsy glaucoma. So in this condition, the endothelium is also damaged. Now, degeneration of the corneal tissue, like epithelium, endothelial dystrophy of Fuchs. Next, inflammation of the anterior segment of the eyeball, like iritis, iridocyclitis. In these conditions, endothelium is damaged. And next is deprivation of oxygen. If the person wear contact lens, a scleral type of contact lens for a long period, the cornea is deprived from oxygen and edema takes place. Now, symptom of corneal edema: diminution of vision due to haziness of the cornea, and second is halo around the light. The characteristics is red zone inside and blue zone outside. Now, red light outside and blue light inside. Red light outside and blue light inside. So this is the characteristic feature of halo in corneal edema. Now, clinical sign: cornea remains hazy, lusterless, dull and uneven. In stroma of the cornea, there is a crisscross or radial white line, which is known as straight keratopathy. Sometimes epithelial bulli also appear. Now, so this is all about corneal edema. Now, management. In management, according to cause of corneal edema. Now, corneal ulcer. Corneal ulcer is a condition in which there is a breach or discontinuity in corneal tissue following infection. So, there is a classification of corneal ulcer. Number 1, purulent corneal ulcer, or it is also known as suppurative keratitis. In this group comes pyogenic corneal ulcer, hypopian corneal ulcer, mycotic corneal ulcer, marginal corneal ulcer, and corneal ulcer associated with a smallpox. Now, non-purulent corneal ulcer. In this group, there is trachomatous corneal ulcer, dendritic corneal ulcer, neurotrophic corneal ulcer, lack of ophthalmic corneal ulcer, and corneal ulcer in vitamin A deficiency. Third is allergic corneal ulcer. In this group, there is a flictinular corneal ulcer, and last is that is degenerative corneal ulcer, atheromatous corneal ulcer, which occurs in old leucoma, and next is Murine corneal ulcer. So these are two degenerative corneal ulcer. हो गया। हाँ, अरे मास्क का हेलमेट लगाए ना, मास्क का बुला रहा, हेलमेट लगा के चल दिया, मास्क लेना भूला। हाँ है, और मास्क बड़ा